In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Google Sites navigation bar. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to switch your site's menu between the top and side layouts and how to preview the change so it looks just the way you want. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sites. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be taken straight to the main Google Sites dashboard. If not, you may be prompted to log in first. This dashboard is where all of your existing sites are listed, along with an option to create new ones. Next, find the site you want to edit. You'll see a grid or list of site thumbnails and titles. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects or have several versions of a similar site. Once you've found the right one, click on it to open it in the editor. After your site opens, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which represents settings. This is where Google Sites keeps most of the layout and navigation options. Click the gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside the settings panel, look for the section related to navigation. You'll see an option labeled Mode with a drop-down menu next to it. This drop-down usually shows either top or seed, depending on how your navigation bar is currently set up. Click on the drop-down arrow to see the available options. Now choose how you want your navigation bar to appear. If you want your menu to run across the top of the page, select Top. If you prefer a vertical menu that appears along the left side of your site, select Side. As you make this choice, think about your content and your visitors. A top navigation is often great for simple sites with just a few pages, while a side navigation can work well for sites with more pages or sections. Once you've selected either top or side, your site will automatically update the navigation layout in the editor. When you're happy with your choice, click the small X at the top of the settings panel to close it and return to the full page view. This doesn't undo your changes. It simply gets the settings panel out of the way so you can clearly see your new navigation bar in action.